What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be going over how to make a short story in ChatGPT. Quick and easy, y'all. This is all you really need to know. And basically, when you do this, you will be able to craft your story how you would like it. You know what I'm saying? So check it out. So when you go into the ChatGPT, what you want to do is give your chat a storyline, right? So what I did was I used what I came up with in my head, which was I want to make an anime series about a warrior that didn't get to meet his dad, you know what I'm saying? And his mom was poisoned. You feel me? His mom was poisoned, you know what I'm saying? And that was days after his birth, you know what I'm saying? And he vowed for vengeance, blase skip, you know what I'm saying? So basically, right, what the chat did, in which I asked the chat to do, was create scenes and narrations for every scene in a story. You feel me? The title of the story, which the chat came up with, is The Curse of Vengeance. You feel me? Okay, so once you know what I'm saying, do all that, you know what I'm saying, you get your story, in which I read the story. I was like, okay, cool. I was good with that. You know what I'm saying? I was good with the story that came out. So after I, you know what I'm saying, created my story with the ChatGPT, what I did was I used those image prompts that the scenes gave coming up with. I use these image prompts. I go into what we call Leonardo AI, and I created images for the scenes in the story. So as you can see, I have these images that I came up with and created for the story. And basically now I'm going to take all these images that I have, and I'm going to go into what we call CapCut, right? Okay. So when I go into the CapCut, what happens is, when I go into the CapCut, I will be able to build this story out. Okay. I'm gonna be able to show y'all that shortly. Okay, so we're gonna go into the CapCut. Now, in the CapCut, as you can see, I have these story pictures laid out in which I'm building the story with, right? All using ChatGPT as far as writing this story out. You know what I'm saying? I gave it the idea. This is what it gave me. So I'm gonna let y'all hear this video. No, so I'm not even gonna post this video or whatnot, but I'm just showing y'all this is what you can come up with using the ChatGPT. So I'm gonna play this video, and y'all can, you know what I'm saying, let me know what y'all feel about it, what y'all think about it, you know what I'm saying? Let me know.
On the night of Cairo's birth, his world was shattered. His father, a mighty ruler, fell to treachery. His mother, poisoned, whispered her final words before darkness consumed her. The kingdom was lost, and the child was left to fate. Years of torment, years of pain. Cairo's heart hardened. In the depths of the ruins, he found the forbidden book, a relic of vengeance. And with one incantation, he became something else, something unstoppable. Cairo whispers, "Give me the power to make them suffer." The spell awakened an ancient curse, no longer just a man. Cairo became a beast of destruction. His fury his pain, turning the world to ashes.
Now, as you can see, I'm just building. I'm not an expert at this, y'all. I'm not an expert. I'm just learning, and I'm, going through the process of figuring things out. Don't be afraid to try to, do new things when it come down to learning new technologies and, what you can do with it. You feel me? This is just, what you have to do as far as like, trying new things. And if you do need to get you like voices or whatnot for your like storylines or for your narrations, you can use 11's Lab. That's a website that you can go to, and that will generate you vocals that you can, download into the CapCut and use for your voiceovers. You know what I'm saying? And basically that'll help you, if you don't want to use your own voice. But yeah, y'all, that's a little short video on how to use CapCut and ChatGPT and other tools to, make short videos. If you don't want to show your face, come up with something, and just, see what it do. You never know, man. Make you a faceless YouTube page. Put it out there, y'all. But until next time, this Worthy Wayne 1, and this was how to use ChatGPT to create short 1-minute stories. Peace. Thanks for watching the video. This is Worthy Wayne 1. For affiliate marketing, if you need any links for any items to sell to add to any video you create using my strategy, you can go to Amazon or any other affiliate marketing partners. Till next time, thanks. Peace.